today's video, we are diving into the feed section, and in the feed section, we are going to see how we can manage the event for the particular feed. So, in this feed, we have the option of event. So, when you click on the event from particular feed, you can arrange the event. Here, you just need to write the event name along with the time allocated for that particular event. Suppose you want to repeat this event, you can repeat it for all day. Otherwise, if you want to set this for particular day, you can set this. You can set the time also. In the calendar, your name will be appear over here. In the attendees and the location, you can add the location for this particular event along with the attendees who are going to attend this event. Here we have the description option along with the reminder. So you can add the reminder, description, and the event color for this particular event. In the availability also, you can manage the different types of availability section, that is the busy, unsure, available, etc. Suppose this event is related to particular CRM entity, you can add that particular entity also here. So first you need to write just event name, or for example, suppose this event is important, so you can tick this option also. So this is how you can create the event from particular feed section.